Next is one of the important section in the software, which is none other than generating the report. So this GUI has a variety of support reports. So the reports can be generated for appointments, sales, customers, and products and expenses. So they are in tabulated format. Depending upon the report you generate, you can actually move from one tab to another tab. So under each report, there are various criteria against which you can generate the report. So let's see appointment reports. So like any other report available, you can of course select a start date and end date. If just in case if you didn't select any start date and end date, it will automatically select the current week. So then there would be filter. You can actually use this filter for generating report against missed appointments, all appointments, missed appointments for single branch, all appointment for single branch, an appointment by the customer. So depending upon your requirement, you select one of the filter and click on the search menu. Now the appointment report is available. You can actually copy it or you can download it at CSV, Excel, PDF, or you can even print it. So you can see the report is already generated, and there will also be some summary page as well here on top of the report. So that shows you how many appointments are there during this time period. Apart from this, you can also come in the start date and change the start date and end date to change the period of the report. So now let's go to the sales report. In the sales report, the same like appointment report, you will have a start date and end date, which would automatically selected this week, just in case no inputs are given. Then there are filters as well. You can actually select sales by branch, select give a branch. Yeah, you will get a sales summary at the top, which will give you total sale and the sale count and total tip and the payment method which are used. Total is the total payment, and under each payment you can see the total payment that use this method. In this case, post method use 14,000 plus. So the reports are available here, same like the appointment menu that can be downloaded or printed. So similarly, you can create a sale against branch, sale by customer, and sale by employee. Sale by employee is one of the very useful report that can be generated out of the software. Let's select it and search. See, now you see the total sale. Obviously, that sale is tax excluded sale, because this is where you actually see the total sale performed by each employee, and the commission that needs to be given to the employee. So the commission is actually calculated out on the commission percentage that you give while creating the services. We had seen in the previous sections actually. So if you look at that here, so it also gives you the sale by category. So how much you sold services, and what would be the commission for the services, total commission that's going to be given to the employee. Similarly, you can see total retail sale and corresponding commission. A tips total will also be available under tips on the number of employees, which is available in this particular report, also available. Now, if you see the report, you can see the employee name and total services, service amount that is actually performed by this particular employee, which is 8,000 plus. So there are retail total, just in case retail is there. So this is the total, which is the sum of services total and retail total performed by the employee, and corresponding service commission and retail commission also available, and commission total also available. In addition to that, the tip which is given to the employee by the customers are also there. And at the end, you have actually the total amount that needs to be paid to the employee will also be there. The total pay will be the sum of tips and total commission. So this is very useful report in the software. So this makes the saloon management quite a lot easier. Similarly, you have actually customer menu as well. Here you can actually create report against customers. So which will give you a list of customers, the customers' names. You can actually export it to Excel or PDF. And similarly, you have products as well. Under products, you can actually create products report, which will give you the list of all the products available in the saloon. So this is going to give you a very big list. This can be exported to an Excel or PDF, same as that of others. So now expenses. So same like sales. This is where you can actually generate report against expenses of the saloon uh, during a particular time period. So click on the search button. Yes, this would give you the expenses. This is a summary which is 30. This is the count, the count of expenses, and the details of each expenses will be available under this table as well. That's all about report. Obviously, in the future, we will be adding more and more reports. Gives you a clear view of the saloon performance and saloon operations.